Now in this video I'm going to just show the techniques. I'm not going to count, and you could do the reps after the video. Most of these techniques are going to show how you bridge the gap or get in between, get to the point where you could count. Now I spoke about this in the kids chat, I don't know if you adults watched that or not, but there's what's called a critical distance line, and I'm on this side of that line. I can't reach him with the kick, I can't reach him with an attack to the head, and he can't reach me either. So your starting point is about 3 feet apart. So your social distancing is 3 feet. And there's a 15-foot ring, 15 by 15. And what you want to do, when you cross this line, you should be doing something. Boxers do the same thing. When they when they step in, they're doing something. They're jabbing, getting the guy on defense. So you don't want to just walk in there doing nothing. So all these things are going to be bridging this gap, okay? And then you're going to counter. So what we're going to do is, in kickboxing, if you don't know this, if you throw a kick and get within the person's or beyond the person's defense, a point is called. If you get close to their head and past their defense, a point is called. And they do the same thing in boxing. Every time they watch, they have judges and they watch whether a guy makes contact, and they count them up. So the way we're going to bridge that gap, first one we're going to do is side kick, and we'll do that from a cat posture. So all you got to do is pick the leg up, just like we pick the knee up, and throw your side kick. Now you're going to have to turn your hip. You got to turn your hip, so we think of that as I talked about the dragon, how the body whips. You can think about how the dragon whips his body. All right, another one will be a round kick using the front leg. Now, if you don't remember the round kick, from a cast hand, it's the same as the front kick. Everybody should know a front kick. You pick your foot up, kick out. You're doing the same thing, only going to the side. So the front leg would pick up, and then you turn the hip like the dragon, and then snap it back. The foot's like in a chicken wing position. Then we're going to be doing the skip and the skip round and the skip side kick. So all these are done for bridging the gap, or getting in close. Now I told you we start in a position where he can't kick me and I can't kick him. So even though your kick just comes close and it doesn't make contact, at least it's gets close enough that he blocks down, where you get a reaction out of him. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to show you the techniques, and then you could just practice them. I'm not going to count. So the first one is the cat posture. And you throw the side kick, land, trap down his hand, and sun fist to the punch. Oh, last video I kept calling it a vertical punch. That's what I started out with. It was always a vertical punch. It's in my head. It's a sun fist, okay? It's called a vertical punch a long time ago. Second one. Front leg, round kick, block down, vertical punch to the head, skip back, cat guard, okay? Or just step back guard. After you do block down and hit, then we could just go back cat and it would be close enough. So that's close range. If you're further away, we do the skip kick. So we're going to do the side kick first. I'm going to step forward into the horse, skip up, do the side kick, block down, vertical punch punch to the face, or sun fist. Keep going vertical. Back. And last one. Step out, skip round, cover down, sun fist to the face. Skip back guard. Okay, so that's the 4 techniques that you can use to bridge the gap and then follow up with the sun fist or the block down sun fist, which we did last video we practiced, okay? One more time, go through all of them. So first one, front leg side kick, cover down, sun fist, back guard. Front leg, my right leg is forward, I'm in the right catch that. Round kick, cover down, sun fist punch, back guard. Longer range, further away. Step out. Oh, he dropped his guard. I can get my kick in there good. Cover down, sun fist, skip back, guard. And step out, skip round, cover down, sun fist punch, skip back, guard. So that's all the techniques you can use to cover your distance. And that's the video for today. So turn it off and do your reps, and we'll see you again.